Unsa sa?
Cultivator sa dito sir.
Oy, cultivate na sa nato, no?
Oh, pauling mga kasi.
Needs, Roger, this is now how it looks. They're going to harvest Sunday or Monday. It's Friday. I can't come tomorrow, Saturday. So, drop by Friday. This is how it looks now. Big, bushy pak choys. So, just in time, the next rows there where the brown is will be ready in the next 15 days. This guy is deweeding it, removing the weeds around the pak choy. Sige, guwan diri dong.
Wala sir?
Wa no?
Hmm?
So sige lang kag kapuno sa imong plastic dito.
Oo, sige po na tara sir. Kung may bubuo nga ni Luyong.
Ah, kana mga bag-o.
Hmm.
Kaya no.